Good morning. I hope everybody's enjoying their Monday. Here in Columbia, it's a little rainy, but I'm looking forward to later this week coming down to Corinth, Mississippi, where I'm going to be teaching a pet portrait workshop at Rowan House. I can't wait. Emily and all the ladies are so nice to invite me to come down there and teach. We've got 2 spots still available if you're interested. And I had painted this painting of the Fillmore Street Chapel. This is where my brother and sister-in-law got married. It's a beautiful historic church building and gorgeous azaleas out front. I understand they're not there anymore, but they sure were during the wedding. It was so beautiful. But I'm packaging some note cards to give us a little happy for those coming to the class. And I hope they enjoy them as much as I do. I love getting a handwritten note in the mail. So I want to encourage all of y'all to do that and come on down.